Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix this app is not compatible with your device. So guys, when you want to download or install any app from Google Play Store in your Android phone and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to go back, and guys, after going to back you need to open your settings in your Android phone, and guys after this you need to find your app management. So guys, you need to click on it, and guys after this click on app list, and guys here you need to find Google Play Store. So guys, I am going to search here Google Play Store. So guys, now you can see here is the option of Google Play Store. Simply you need to click on it, and guys after this here is the option of storage and cache. So guys, simply you need to click on clear data or clear storage. So guys, if you have the option of clear data, then guys simply you need to clear data. So guys, I have the option of clear storage. So guys, I am going to do this, and guys after this simply you need to go back. And guys, the second method is you need to open your Google Play Store, and guys wait for a few seconds for its opening, because I have cleared all the data of this Google Play Store, therefore it takes time for a few seconds. So guys wait for a few seconds. So guys, now you can see a Play Store has been opened successfully. So guys, simply you need to click on your main profile, and guys click on settings, and after this click on about, and after this you need to update your Play Store easily from here. And guys after doing this you need to go back, and guys after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys simply you need to open any internet browser, and guys after this here you need to search your app for downloading. So guys, I'll tell you what you need to do. So guys, simply here you need to search your app name. So guys, for example, I want to download this app Netflix, and guys after writing your name of app, then guys simply you need to write your website name, that is APK Pure. So guys simply you need to search it, and guys after this you need to download this app from here, and guys after you need to download in your phone, and guys after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys simply you need to open your settings again, and guys after this you need to scroll it down, click on system, and here is the option of system update. So guys after this you need to update your Android phone to latest version. So guys, if you have any kind of update on your phone, then guys simply you need to update your phone first, and guys after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.